Okay, so we're going to discuss about the introduction to history. So exploring the historical foundation. So this is the my content of my discussion. First is understanding history. So ano ba yung history? Ano bang ibig sabihin niyan? Then what are the sources of history? Then historical methodology. So these are the contents of our discussion for today. Then understanding history. No? So I have four definitions of history here. First, we have history as a past event. Then history as a written record. These are all self-explanatory. No? Then history as academic discipline. No? So ano ba ibig sabihin nito? History constitutes a scholarly field dedicated to studying. No? So, isa na siyang established academic discipline. No? That's why there are courses in history. No? Then, history as cultural cultural memory. No? History functions collective memory and so on. No? So, that's why may mga local histories tayong pinag-aaralan. So, next. So historical significance, we will discuss this later, no? Medyo mahaba. Ano ba ang historical study, no? So paano ito nangyayari, no? So first is history as recorded past. As we all know, past is past, but that is a part of the history. Though history as social memory, it is a collective remembrance of past experiences. That's why sa isang lugar may mga hearsays, may mga storytelling, may mga legends, may mga myths, and so on. So these are social memory. Then ang history is academic discipline in the sense that scholarly investigates everything about history. So ano yung two sources of history? First, based on this slide, is the primary sources, no? Paano matandaan ng primary source? Primary source is that these are all physical evidences such as the following: documents, artifacts, recordings, diaries, letters, photographs. So yun yung primary sources of history. Yung secondary sources naman, so these are the printed materials, no, such as books, journals, documentaries, textbooks, biographies, historical analysis. Sinulat yan based doon sa physical evidences or primary history. Then let's proceed to the next slide. Evaluating source reliability, we will discuss that later. So ano naman ang historical methodology? So research approaches, we will discuss that later. Then interpretation of history, no? So paano ba ini-interpret ang history, no? So based on the concepts, no? Based on the understanding approaches in the historical studies, no? Balikan natin ito. Ayan, yung evaluating source reliability. First is the authenticity of the document. So this is very important. So magbibigay ako ng mga documents na i-describe natin regarding how this document authentic is, no? Then cross-referencing multiple sources. Ito yung mga writings coming from other people na pwede natin gamitin, no? We can use this as a basis in understanding history. Yung bias assessment naman, no? So ang isang historian sometimes may mga biases siya, no? So di mawawala yon. Then contextual evaluation, no? After writing all the histories, then there must be a writing evaluation, no, of this. So sad to say that this will be my 5-minute discussion, no? We will discuss